How do photographers and filmmakers use different kinds of lenses to control the images they make? We saw that depending on the distance it takes a lens to focus an image in a camera, we'll get different angles of view. A wider angle of view takes in more of the background and shrinks things more aggressively as they get further away. And a narrower angle of view sees a smaller slice of the background and makes distant things shrink less severely. Since a wide-angle lens takes in more of the environment, they're a good choice to emphasize the vast scale of a scene. Or they can make small places seem larger. A photograph of a tiny hotel room is going to look more spacious and worth a higher cost if it's photographed from a corner of the room with a wide-angle lens. A telephoto or long lens will create less distortion in perspective and is often the better choice for portraits since it creates less warping in the face. Taking in less of the environment can make a scene appear more intimate or even claustrophobic. If you want to make a stunt look more dangerous, such as making it appear as if someone is right next to an explosion, you can use a long lens. Even with the explosion pushed back a safe distance away, the long lens can compress the space and make the person appear to be in imminent danger. Consider this: there are two ways to make a subject appear larger in the frame of a camera. Either by zooming in and shifting to a longer lens, or by just physically moving the camera closer to the subject. With some careful maneuvering, it's possible to mix a changing lens and a changing camera distance to create an amazing effect. The technique is called a dolly zoom, since it combines zooming the camera lens while moving it along a track called a dolly. A subject can stay the same size in frame with careful balancing of widening the lens while pushing the camera forward. As the subject stays the same size in frame, the rest of the environment warps dizzyingly around them. The effect has been used in films in all kinds of ways, including emphasizing the drama of a sudden realization, or to accentuate a challenge that lies ahead. So keep your eyes open for creative uses of lenses in films, including the dolly zoom.